up guys, and welcome back to another Disney Heroes Battle Mode video. So, in today's video, we're going to be covering the brand new update with the Cheshire Cat. So, here's the Cheshire Cat. Okay, he has an animation where he throws his head. I love this Cheshire Cat, and I was expecting him to come into the game really soon, and now he's finally here. So let's take a look at his skills. Headstand. The Cheshire Cat teleports to the middle of enemy into the middle of enemies and rolls on his head, dealing damage and sapping nearby enemies. Head toss. The Cheshire Cat throws his head at the enemy with the least HP, dealing damage and stunning them for 10 seconds. A good laugh. The Cheshire Cat laughs, healing himself 4 HP and gaining 300 energy. Not all there. The Cheshire Cat will prefer to be invisible. Enemies with basic attacks and head toss with basic attacks deals bonus damaging to invisible enemies. Okay. A mischievous grin. Every 4.4 seconds, when an enemy damages the Cheshire Cat, they are sapped for 7.0 seconds. Okay. So there you have it, guys. The Cheshire Cat is now in the game. And he is this month's sign-in hero. So on day 7, you guys will be able to get him. So in a couple of days, I will do a video showing the Cheshire Cat and his moves. But anyway, let's also show all of the characters that I have gotten as of recently. So in my last video, I mentioned that I was getting Judy Hopps, and now I finally got her. And she is so cool. I love Zootopia, and yeah. Then, the other character that I got was Olaf. Now, Olaf is so cute, and I can't believe I just got him. Guys, I love Frozen and Olaf. Having Olaf is gonna be such a good mechanic and feature. Then we also have Tiadama. Now guys, I got a lot of new characters because of Elite and Gold Crates, so Tia is also one that I wanted. And I'm gonna try to level her up even more. And then, let's move on to the characters that I've gotten now. So we have Eeyore. So Eeyore is so cute, and I have not leveled him up yet. But I will level him up soon. And I really want to get Tigger and Winnie the Pooh to go along with him. So, yeah. Then we have the Beast, who is also another character that I didn't expect to get, but now I got him because of Elite. And yeah. Then we got Violet. Violet is one of the older characters, but I was able to get her through Elite. Okay, now let's actually level up all of our characters. So we're gonna level up Eeyore first. And Eeyore is so cute, like I just said. But let's go ahead and get him some of these badges. Okay, promote him. Promote. I'm gonna try to get him up to blue. And I'm also gonna try to level up all of my characters to blue. And some of them even to blue too. Okay. So Eeyore is now in green 1. And I'm gonna test Eeyore, Beast, and Violet in this video. But I won't test the other characters that I got in this video. But I'll test them later. And then now he's gonna get up to blue 1. And I really wanna get him up to blue 2. I really wanna get one of my characters up to blue 2, but like I'm on chapter 7 now. Okay. So Eeyore is way up there. So now we're gonna level up Beast. Okay. He's leveled up. Now, guys, comment down below which character I should cover next. And also, I want to do a prediction video of what the next update could be. So, be on the lookout for that, guys. No, because I'll be talking about, like, the characters that are leaked to come in the game. And all the characters are expecting. So, there you go, Beast. So here's Beast. Here's Beast. So, yeah. I love Beast. Now, I've never watched Beauty and Beast. But I don't know why I'm just talking all of a sudden and like not focusing, but now we got him on blue. Okay. So this is as far as I can get him. So now we're gonna work on our last character, Violet. Okay. Now Violet is one of my other favorites. Especially is Incredible. And I love Incredibles. Sorry if I'm not. Oh, okay. So it looks like we have to do an infected stage. We have to do a stage. So we're gonna do your Beast. Let's go do this. Okay. Eeyore's animations are like the cutest out of all the heroes. But like, I will cover other characters and like. So many stuff with Disney heroes that I know all coming to my channel. Okay, so the stage. Ready. Okay. Now let's equip this. Now let's equip all of this. Okay, this is also how far I could get her to. So, yeah, this is actually going to be it for today's video. Okay, guys, bye.